So on a traditional tank water heater, once the water comes into the tank, which is on demand, like it's set to control a certain level in the tank of water. That tank isn't filled with water all the way from the bottom all the way to the top. There's an insulated tank inside insulation from what you can see from the outside. And it's got, a control valve. Once it's asked for water to resupply it, let's go through what happens.
A recirculating pump is going to get there. It's going to push that water out to where it's going, depending on the level that you keep your water heater at temperature-wise and how far your water heater is from the faucet that you're turning on is going to determine how long it takes to get that warm water or hot water to where you're going. So the closer your faucet is to the water heater, the quicker you're going to get hot water. And the further away it is, like if your master bedroom's on the opposite side of the house as your laundry room, it might take longer. It could take up to 5 or 10 minutes to get hot water. And so
and the way the plumbing's laid out, if you first use the master bedroom sink and get hot water there, you could go to your kitchen, which is in between your water heater and your master bedroom. And because it's already asked to get hot water all the way from the water heater to the master bedroom sink, it could be a very short period of time. It could already be at the kitchen sink.
Very true. Yes, it can be at the kitchen sink. So you could go in and turn that kitchen sink on and be like, oh, I got hot water already, and then realize, oh, somebody else trying to get to their shower. So yeah, the hot water goes through there, and then it recirculates, and the rods, heat it all up again as it refills to keep that reservoir for you of hot water.
And as soon as it's asking for water and delivering it, cold water's coming in. How long, and I know this is a very subjective question because the age matters, the manufacturer matters. How long does it take for that cold water to get up to temperature of whatever your tank is set at?
Well, that's a good question because it depends on what the temperature of your tank is. And the higher it's set, the quicker it's going to get hot to where you might want it. So the average person sets theirs around 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And so if it's there, you're going to get that hot water back. And again, it's just going to depend on how long you're running the water. And so if you're taking a longer, luxurious shower of like 10, 15 minutes, getting some extra stuff done, and you have a good sized water heater for your house, let's say like a 65-gallon, you're probably not going to run out of water. But if you have a smaller one, like a 40-gallon running across it, it could run out on you and then not have enough hot water for the next person that wants to take a shower. So probably around 20 to 30 minutes to fully fill up on a lower water heater for somebody who's taking a shower or running other items with hot water at the same time.